सो अलकनंदा, भागीरथी, ओके, ये वर्ड याद रखना, रुद्रप्रयाग, मंदाकिनी, अलकनंदा एंड भागीरथी मीट्स एट देवप्रयाग, एंड देन वी कैरी फॉरवर्ड टू इलाहाबाद, अप टू इलाहाबाद। इलाहाबाद पे आगे हमें क्या मिलती है? यमुना, यमुना, यमुना की कुछ ट्रिब्यूटरीज हैं, चंबल, सिंध, बेतवा, केन। ठीक है, इसमें 3 इंपॉर्टेंट है, केबीसी, केन, बेतवा और चंबल, केबीसी। ठीक है, और ये सिंध भी याद रख लेना एस के तौर पे। ठीक है, केबीसी एस, केबीसी सेकंड, सेकंड का क्या होता है? एस। ठीक है, केबीसी सेकंड। तो केबीसी 2, ये आपको एक ट्रिक के तौर पे याद रख सकते हो आप। ठीक है, यमुना की कौन कौन सी है? केबीसी 2, केबीसी सेकंड, केबीसी सेकंड। ठीक है, केन, बेतवा, चंबल, सिंध। ओके, सो these are the tributaries. सो यमुना में बेसिकली क्या क्या मिल रही है? चंबल, सिंध, बेतवा, केन। चंबल, सिंध, बेतवा, केन। और ये एक छोटी सी है बिगहन, बिगहन, ये एक छोटी सी है। ठीक है, ओके, सो नाउ वी मूव ऑन टू, ये गंगा के रिवर सिस्टम आपको सबने देख लिया कि मंदाकिनी जब आके अलकनंदा से मिलती है तो रुद्रप्रयाग बनता है। ठीक है, जब भागीरथी आके अलकनंदा से मिलती है कहाँ पे? देवप्रयाग पे। ठीक है, देवप्रयाग, देवप्रयाग। ओके, you just remember this. अब हम इलाहाबाद से आगे चलते हैं। इलाहाबाद से आगे चलेंगे तो यहाँ पे आके कौन सी रिवर मिल रही है? ठीक है, बेलन, बेलन, सॉरी, टोन्स रिवर, टोन्स रिवर आके मिल रही है। टोन्स की खुद की एक डिस्ट्रीब्यूटरी है और ट्रिब्यूटरी है बेलन, बेलन, टोन्स। ये बेलन जो है ये टोन्स में आके मिल रही है। हमेशा इस चीज का ध्यान रखना, ये बेलन जो है ये कहाँ पे आके मिल रही है? टोन्स में। तो ये टोन्स की ट्रिब्यूटरी हुई, ये गंगा की ट्रिब्यूटरी नहीं हुई। ठीक है, इट इज द ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ टोन्स। ओके, सो आगे चलते हैं हम। अब यहाँ तक पहुंचते हैं तो यहाँ पे आके बिहार का एरिया आ जाते हैं ये बेसिकली। तो गोमती और साई, गोमती और साई, गोमती और साई। ओके, गोमती और साई दोनों आके मिलती हैं और फिर ये आगे चल के गोमती के नाम से ही जानी जाएगी और फिर ये आगे गंगा में मिल जाएगी। ठीक है, गंगा में मिल जाएगी, फिर ये गंगा के तौर पे ये आगे चलती रहेगी। ओके, सो अब यहाँ पे घाघरा रिवर आ रही है। ठीक है, घाघरा रिवर आ रही है तो घाघरा रिवर का हम मतलब हिस्ट्री देखते हैं कि घाघरा रिवर में कौन कौन सी आके मिलती हैं। ठीक है, काली और कामड़ी, कामड़ी आके मिलती है तो सरदा बनती है। सरदा से आगे चलते हैं तो घाघरा नाम चेंज हो जाता है इसका, घाघर, घाघर चेंज सरदा के बाद होता है। और फिर घाघर, घाघर में क्या आके मिलती है? सरजू, सरजू, सरजू आके मिलती है। फिर आगे घाघरा चलती है, घाघरा चलती है, फिर आगे कौन सी मिल रही है? राप्ती, बूढ़ी राप्ती, बूढ़ी राप्ती। ठीक है, बूढ़ी राप्ती, राप्ती रिवर आके मिली यहाँ पे। ठीक है, और फिर यहाँ से आगे चलते गए फिर घाघर रिवर ही कंटिन्यू करेगी और घाघर रिवर आके गंगा की ट्रिब्यूटरी बन गई। नेक्स्ट इज महानदी रिवर, महानदी रिवर भी गंगा की ही ट्रिब्यूटरी है। ओके, इसमें जोहड़, जोहड़, गोपड़ और रिहंड और कन्हड़। ठीक है, अड़ अड़ की साउंड अगर आती है ना आपको तो ज्यादातर एरिया की ये चीज आप अड़ अड़ की जो साउंड आती है तो ये महानदी के एरिया बेसिकली कहाँ पे पड़ते हैं? ज्यादातर मध्य प्रदेश में पड़ते हैं। ठीक है, तो अड़ अड़ की साउंड से ही ज्यादातर वर्ड बोले जाते हैं वहां पे। ओके, जोहड़, गोपड़, रिहंड, कन्हड़। ओके, कन्हड़ सेम राजस्थान में भी ऐसे ही होता है, राजस्थान का भी कल्चर सेम ऐसे ही है, अड़ अड़ का वर्ड काफी मिलते हैं। तो अब हम आगे अब हम आगे चलते हैं, आगे चलेंगे तो गंगा रिवर सिस्टम में। ठीक है, गंडक रिवर इज कमिंग एज इट्स ट्रिब्यूटरी, गंगा की ट्रिब्यूटरी, एज अ ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ गंगा, गंडक रिवर। Okay, Punpun River, Punpun River, it is also a tributary of Ganga. Okay, next we move on. So Bhabar River is also the tributary of Ganga. Okay, फिर आगे चलते हैं हम बूढ़ी गंडक, बूढ़ी गंडक, बूढ़ी गंडक, ठीक है, बूढ़ी राप्ती, बूढ़ी गंडक. ओके, बागमती, बागमती. So, आप Ganga River, if you are studying about Ganga River system, then it means you are studying majority of Indian rivers, because Ganga River system is not made from a single river system. It is made up of many. Because Ganga is considered to be the largest river of Indian territory. Okay, so Ganga is having many tributaries, many distributaries. So in this way, we need to understand Ganga very well. Okay, Bhabar, Padma. Okay, Padma. It is a distributary. Okay, Padma is a distributary. Uh, Next is Ghugri, Ghugri, Kosi. So Kosi is the sorrow of Bihar. Okay, Kosi is the sorrow of Bihar, and it is also the tributary of Ganga river system. Okay. नेक्स्ट इज कड़छा. कड़छा में आके मिलती है कोसी, कोसी, कड़छा में कोसी. ओके, और कनकई, 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 एंड लास्ट वन इज अबराई, अबराई, अबराई. Okay, last one is Abrai, and then the distributary of Ganga comes. Okay, Hooghly, हुगली से देन डिस्ट्रीब्यूटरी का मतलब क्या होता है कि गंगा इज गोइंग फॉरवर्ड एंड some rivers get diverted from it. So Ganga was going forward, but the Hooghly river get diverted from it. So that's why it is a distributary. Okay, Hooghly, Ajay, Damodar, Barakar, or Kargali, Kargali. And then here we come at Rudraprayag, Rudraprayag, or Dwarkeshwar, Dwarkeshwar, Selai, Kasai, and Haldi, and Haldi. Okay, so in this way the Ganga river system ends. This map will be provided to all of you. एक बार फिर से देख लेते हैं इसे गंगा रिवर सिस्टम को. ठीक है, अलकनंदा, भागीरथी, अलकनंदा और भागीरथी के कॉम्बिनेशन. अलकनंदा में मंदाकिनी आके मिलती है तो रुद्रप्रयाग बनता है. ओके, अलकनंदा आगे चलेगी तो भागीरथी जब आके अलकनंदा में मिलती है, when Bhagirathi get combines with Alaknanda, then it forms Devprayag, Devprayag, Devprayag. Okay, then we carry forward. So we move to, this is the Uttar Pradesh area. Okay, this was Uttarakhand area. This was Uttarakhand area. Okay, this is Uttar Pradesh area, and then we move on to Allahabad. Then at Allahabad, the largest tributary of Ganga comes, that is Yamuna. Yamuna is the largest tributary of Ganga, and from here we got to know that Chambal is the tributary of Yamuna, Sindh, Betwa, Kain. Chambal, Sindh, Betwa, Kain. So we need to remember the tributaries of Yamuna very well. So I have a short trick regarding it. KBC2S. मतलब 2 का मतलब क्या होता है? Second. KBC second. So KBC second, KBC second, Kain, Betwa, Chambal, Sindh. Okay, KBC second. So in this way, Yamuna has 4 tributaries. 4 tributaries. Okay. So Bighen is a small tributary, so that's why we don't need to remember it as much, but just to know it. Okay, Bighen, and then Ganga. Ganga carry forward, then Belan River. Okay, Gomati, Ghagra, Rapti. Okay, these all we have done. So now we see it at Google Maps also, because Ganga river system is also very important. Alaknanda River. Okay, Alaknanda. So I'll show you all. This is Alaknanda River. यहाँ पे, so in this way we get to know that this river originates from here. Okay. So in this way, Ramganga, Narora Atomic Power Plant. Okay. So this in this way the Ganga river system moves, and then it get submerged into Sundarban Delta. Okay, Sundarban Delta. This is the delta of Ganga river system. Okay, so this is the delta of Ganga river system. So in this way, many of the rivers get combined with Ganga river system, and I have shown you that the full map of regarding it. Okay, so now we write the notes regarding it. All of you just take your paper and pencils and then write the notes regarding it. Okay. So yesterday we have done up to Tones River, no, Parachute River. Up to Parachute Rivers we have done. So today we will start from Tones River. The tributary of Yamuna rises in Yamunotri Glacier, rises in Yamunotri Glacier, and flows through western part of Uttarakhand, and flows through western part of Uttarakhand. Okay, western part of Uttarakhand. The NH94 runs along it. The NH94 runs along it. Next is Bhagirathi. Bhagirathi. The head stream of Ganga. The head stream of the Ganga rises from Gangotri Glacier. Rises from Gangotri Glacier, as you all know. गंगा का कौन सा ग्लेशियर है? गंगोत्री. ठीक है. एंड यमुना का कौन सा है? यमुनोत्री. ठीक है. Meets Alaknanda River at Devprayag. Alaknanda River at Devprayag. Okay, Alaknanda River at Devprayag. Cities Uttarkashi, Tihri. Okay, Uttarkashi, Tihri. So Tihri Dam is not on Ganga. Just try to remember it because आप सभी देख पा रहे हैं कि when it combines with Alaknanda, then at what place? At Devprayag. Then it is known as Ganga. Otherwise, before before Devprayag, it is known as Bhagirathi only. Okay. So the Tihri Dam, the largest and the highest dam, tallest dam of India is Tihri Dam. So and Tihri Dam is on Bhagirathi, not on Ganga. Just be specific. Otherwise, some of the lower exams ask that on which river Tihri Dam is located. So most probably people write it that it is on Ganga, but it is on Bhagirathi. Okay, projects Tihri and Koteshwar. Tihri and Koteshwar. Next is Alaknanda. Alaknanda. First major tributary of Ganga. First major tributary of the Ganga. Found completely inside Uttarakhand. Found completely inside Uttarakhand. Okay. first major tributary of Ganga, found completely inside Uttarakhand. Rises near Niti Pass at the border of at the border with Tibet. At the border with Tibet. Okay. Meets Bhagirathi River at Devprayag. Meets Bhagirathi River at Devprayag. Okay. Alaknanda River at Devprayag. Okay. Tributaries are Pindar and Mandakini. Pindar and Mandakini. Pindar and Mandakini. Next is Pindar. Just write it. Most important tributary of Alaknanda River. Most important tributary of Alaknanda River. So found completely inside Uttarakhand, rises from Pindar Glacier. Rises from Pindar Glacier near Nanda Devi Peak. Joins Alaknanda at Karnaprayag. Joins Alaknanda at Karnaprayag. So Pindar is the first tributary of Ganga. Alaknanda. Pindar is the first tributary of Alaknanda. So Karnaprayag. Okay. Karnaprayag. So Pindar River, you can make it over here. Okay, I think I have not drawn it. Pindar River, you can make it over here. Okay, then Mandakini, Karnaprayag, Rudraprayag, and then Devprayag. Okay, Karnaprayag, Rudraprayag, and then Devprayag. Okay, Karnaprayag, Rudraprayag, and then Devprayag. Karnaprayag. Okay. Next is Kali Sarda. Kali Sarda, important tributary of Ghagra that rises in Tibet near the Rakas Lake. Rakas Lake. Okay. Rakas Lake. Flow between India. Flow between India and Nepal, forming a natural boundary and known as Kali in Nepal section and known as Kali in Nepal section and Sarda in Indian part. Okay, Kali in Nepal section and Sarda in Indian part. As I have shown you in the map also. If you want, I will show you again. Okay. So in this way, you can see here Kali. Okay, Kali, and then Sarda. The name get changed when it enters India. Okay, the name get changed when it enters India. Kali becomes Sarda. Kali becomes Sarda. Okay, and then Ghagar, and then Ghagar. Okay. So this is the point regarding it. Kali in Nepal section and Sarda in Indian part. Sarda in Indian part. passes through Dudhwa National Park. Passes through Dudhwa National Park. Okay, passes through Dudhwa National Park. Next is Karnali, Karnali River. Karnali, Ghagar, Karnali slash Ghagar. Karnali slash Ghagra originates near Gulda Mandaka, Gulda Mandhata, Mandhata Peak, Gulda Mandhata Peak, Karnali River. Okay, Karnali Ghagra. So these all rivers are the basically these all rivers are the tributaries of Ganga. So that's why we are reading all of them combinedly. Because if you try to say that Ganga is made from Alaknanda and Bhagirathi, and then you draw the map up to West Bengal, that this is our Ganga. So in this way, our school teachers used to say that Ganga is found from Alaknanda and Bhagirathi, and then it gets submerged into Bay of Bengal at Sundarban Delta. Okay, so it is not the truth. Actually में तो यमुना भी गंगा का ही पार्ट है, और घाघरा भी यमुना का ही पार्ट है, गोमती भी यमुना की पार्ट है, तो गंगा का ही पार्ट है. So that's why majority of Indian rivers in northern India, majority of Indian rivers are tributaries, either tributaries or distributaries of Ganga. Just remember it. Okay. Karnali, Gagra, originates near Gulda Mandhata Peak, south of Mansarovar in Tibet. South of Mansarovar in Tibet. Known as Karnali in Western Nepal. Karnali in Western Nepal. ओके, कर्नाली के नाम से जानी जाती है नेपाल में, और घाघर के नाम से जानी जाती है इंडिया में. ठीक है. ट्रिब्यूटरीज शारदा सरजू राप्ती, शारदा सरजू राप्ती. ठीक है. इसे आप एक ट्रिक के तौर पे भी याद रख कर सकते हो, SSR, सुशांत सिंह राजपूत. शारदा सरजू राप्ती किसकी ट्रिब्यूटरीज है? घाघरा. Okay, meets Ganga a few kilometers downstream of Chhapra in Bihar. Of Chhapra in Bihar. Forms boundary between UP and Bihar. Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Next is your most important river, Ganga. Largest and longest river inside India. Originates from Gangotri glaciers as Bhagirathi, and drains into the Bay of Bengal. This is what our teachers used to tell us, that गंगा में भागीरथी आई, और भागीरथी और अलकनंदा मिली, और वो ड्रेन कर गई बे ऑफ बंगाल में. मतलब can you even imagine what our school teachers did with us? Means I can even imagine, because I was good in social science at the school time also. I was not good in maths, so I can even remember the particular words what they used to tell me, that Alaknanda and Bhagirathi get combined, and then that Ganga drains into Bay of Bengal. So where is Yamuna? So where is Gomti? Where is Tons River? Okay, so these all rivers get lost from our books. These all rivers have no value in our books. So, and majority of the crisis and majority of the epidemics occur in these areas only, because as you all know, Assam is suffering from flood, because the northern part of India doesn't know about eastern part very much, only because of our bad teachers. The northern part doesn't know much about eastern part of India, and believe me, the eastern part is the most beautiful part all over India. And if you look at this northern part where I am living here, it is full of dirt, full of pollution, full of everything. If you want to live life, then just go to eastern side of India. So known as Padma in Bangladesh, holiest river of India, holiest river of India. So next is Ram Ganga. Important tributary of Ganga between Gomti East and Ganga West. Gomti East and Ganga West. Okay. Ram Ganga, important tributary of Ganga between Gomti East and Ganga West. Rises Garhwal district of Uttarakhand, and joins Ganga near Kannauj, Muradabad. Okay. So from Gomti we will start from tomorrow. From Sarju we will start from tomorrow. Okay. Important tributary of Ganga. Gomti is important tributary of Ganga. Rises from Pilibhit district of Uttar Pradesh. Joins Ganga downstream of Sarnath. Irrigates the Awadh plain. Cities Lucknow. What are the cities? Lucknow. Okay. Irrigates Awadh plain. Cities Lucknow. Gomti, important tributary of Ganga, rises from Pilibhit district. Pilibhit district से ये originate होती है. Okay. UP and joins Ganga downstream. ये rises का basically मतलब क्या होता है? Because don't try to imagine that it has derived from Pilibhit, but just try to imagine that many of the streams are coming from mountain regions of different areas. Many of the streams have originated, and they all come, and they combined at the district Pilibhit, and then it forms Gomti River. Okay, then it forms Gomti River. Otherwise, there are many rivers in India that are very of a small area. Those rivers are of a very small area, so that's why they are not recognized to be as a river. Okay, but there are many rivers in India. So just try to imagine that rises means not it has gained the water from there. It has not gained the water from there. It has gained the water from mountain regions only. UP and joins Ganga downstream of Sarnath. Irrigates Awadh plain. Cities Lucknow. Okay, that's all. Your GS part is, and join the next class very soon. Today we will have only 3